These main signs of the Roman power were to buckle. Temptation concept is actuated only by the love of order. Congestion. During a long period of 43 years, the virtuous labors were crowned with success, and the few excessive fears. Slight
那个
hostility,
圣人是在念
but
罗马
first
帝国
exercised
衰亡史。
solutions of his. Frontier. The reigns of Hadrian and Antoninus Pius offered a
在古
fair
腾堡计划，古腾堡计划网站可以下载。罗马帝国衰亡史 原文英文版。
The most remote nations of the earth. The fiercest barbarians.
全程 PDF 档2610页，全部6卷， 后来有人翻译成中文12卷2册。
The king ambassadors who were received the honor which they claimed. The solicit of being admitted into the rank of subjects. 28. 27. Return. We must, however, remember that in the time of Hadrian,